Hey everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. I get so many questions asking all about our themes because if you've been with me for a while and you've looked through all of my YouTube videos, you know that I have a lot of videos on different themes. In fact, years worth. And so the next question is always, well, how did you set up your theme? So I thought I would talk about that today. First of all, if you're new to my channel, I'm Cheryl. I have been teaching for over 25 years in the same preschool, and I have been documenting a lot of our activities over on teaching2and3year-olds.com. But today, all about themes. So this in front of me is a theme bin, and you might have seen on my Facebook page or maybe on my Instagram page or in my stories, you see me cart these around, putting them on my cart actually, and bringing them up from our storage room, setting up our theme. So what it is that we have our theme set up in our storage room downstairs, which I'm going to take you to see, and we have a bin for each of our themes. So this one right here is farm because that's the theme that we set up this week. So the first thing I do when I go to set up a theme is that I look for the theme bin. And for each of the themes that we do in our preschool, we have a bin, and we have them in chronological order from what we would do in September to what we would do in May. So this is our farm bin. So the first thing we're going to do is take that down, and then the bin goes on my cart, and I need a cart because it's heavy. That's heavy, and I'm going to put other things on this cart, and our classroom is upstairs, so we have to use the elevator. So the cart comes in handy. So I have the bin there, and then I also put anything else on here that we'll need. You can see the barns there because that's going to be in the block area, and sometimes it's 2 carts worth of stuff. It just depends. So if I have to make 2 loads up there, I do. But I start putting everything on the cart a week ahead of time so that by the time it's the day of setting up, everything's ready to go. We also have in our storage room a library. This is where all of our books are. And so they are listed in order by subject. So here is our farm section, and here are all of our farm books. So I select which books I want, and then those go down on the cart too. So there's my cart. It's ready to go, and on the day that I set up the theme, I will wheel this up and I will start setting up the classroom. So now I'm going to take this upstairs to our classroom, and since it's on the first level and this is below, I am going to put it in the elevator and get it to our classroom.